So like with most heat products, you want to keep the iron moving so you don't damage the hair, and you also always want to use a heat protectant before you get started. I like this one from Virtue Lab, but this one has a nice wide, thick barrel that creates bigger, looser waves. Okay, I'm almost at the last section now, and I'm finding this iron very easy to work with and very consistent in its heat distribution, judging by the waves that I'm getting. Here you go, waves complete. This was my first time using it, and I got very consistent smoothness and waves from the curler. Heated up very quickly, and more importantly, maintained its heat. It does have a number of settings, so you can pick the heat you want to use.